Hey there! Today I'm gonna remove the rear fender on the rocker seat. In case you need to know how, I also have the manual here, so if you want to pause and take a look at it, it will give you good information. What it says basically is to put rag beneath the fender, between the fender and the tire, and then unscrew those and these. That's what I'll be doing, and I'm doing this because I want to access the ECM, which I think is behind this plastic. So I already disconnected the rear fender connector. And remove the battery. So basically, yeah, after removing the fender, I'll see more. I think it's only there. And the goal is in preparation of installing a Thundermax ECM auto-tune something. Not ordered yet, but that's the goal. So here we go. So you will need a ratchet, an extender, an extension, and a 45, I think 45, yeah, 45 Torx, and a socket, 14 millimeters. You start by the one underneath. It was already untightened before starting the video. I guess that's the part, and there's another one there. So I guess that removes that plastic here, and the ECM must be underneath. Oh, I'm gonna remove this and see. So I managed to remove this plate, this plastic protector. It was here. I unscrew one more screw right there, which free this up, but as you see, the I will have to remove the rear wheel to reach the ECM, because there's no place to work and the ECM is beneath here. So I'll do a video to how to remove at the same time the rear wheel. It's probably removing this and then loosening those on each side, I guess. Move it forward, loose the strap, move it this way, and then we can pull the rod off and get the wheel off, I guess.